Hey high leveler, my name is Andrew, and today I'm going to show you how you can create your own affiliate campaigns inside of HighLevel using the new affiliate campaign creation flow. If you haven't used the affiliate infrastructure yet, HighLevel offers an affiliate infrastructure to allow us to create campaigns, collect commissions, and automate payouts to affiliates in order to better build our business and market it online. So today I'll show you how you can create your first campaign using this new creation flow. Let's dive right in. Now, if you haven't created an affiliate campaign before, you're just going to navigate to marketing and then affiliate manager. And you can see from here, we have a little bit of information about our affiliate campaigns. This allows us to invite affiliates, promote and track our sales and leads in real time, and then automate our payouts. If we want, we can import our campaigns from First Promoter if we're already using First Promoter, which is just another affiliate campaign platform. But if not, we can go ahead and create our first campaign by clicking Start Your First Affiliate Campaign. Or if you've already created ones before, you can go to the campaign screen under Affiliate Manager Campaign and then click Create a New Campaign. Now, as long as you have a payment gateway connected, then you'll be able to create affiliate campaigns. Let me explain why this is important. We have to have a payment gateway connected to our HighLevel in order to utilize the affiliate manager, because the affiliate manager reads sales from our payment gateway in order to attribute those sales commissions to leads. So make sure you're using either Stripe, NMI, Authorize.net, or PayPal. And of course, you can change this later. Once you have one of these connected, you can click Add Affiliates. From here, we can either add affiliates manually, upload a CSV, or select existing contacts in our CRM to add to our affiliate campaign. Now, if you don't have any contacts that are ready to be affiliates right now, that's totally okay. Just go ahead and click Choose Existing Contacts and select a dummy contact from your CRM. This will make things easy so you can select one that you're just not going to use, but this just gives you a good idea of what the creation flow looks like. So whenever you select your contacts from here, if you already have contacts, you can select them from here and then click Import. You'll then see that our affiliate's been added successfully and we can click Next. Now that we have affiliates inside of our CRM, we can now click Create Your First Campaign, and this will start the campaign creation flow. Now, the first step is to choose where our affiliate links will lead. Now, this is important because our affiliate campaigns allow us to create custom links like your domain / and then the affiliate's name in order to attribute any sales they make on their page to that affiliate themselves. So in order to do this, we can either select a website, funnel, or a store that we have in the platform. And by selecting any of these, it will pull in any of these websites, funnels, or stores from your sub account. So we'll go ahead and select funnel for an example. We'll pick our funnel and then select what page our visitors are going to land on. Now, if you're choosing a funnel that isn't live yet, you will need to link your funnel, just connecting it with your live domain. And you can do that by just clicking Link Funnel Now, but you can skip this step by just clicking Skip and Get Started. Now, if you do skip linking your domain, it'll take you straight to the campaign screen. You do have to have a funnel connected to a domain in order for it to actually create the campaign. So you can always just go back and connect it later. But we would recommend creating your affiliate campaign after you've already created a live funnel. Now, if it's not your first time creating an affiliate campaign, when you go to click Add and then you create your campaign, you will see this, a slightly different looking screen. Now, in this final version of the flow, which you'll see after you've created your very first campaign or at least gotten used to the system, we'll let you select between two options, either to track sales and leads from funnels, websites, stores, or external websites, or to track only leads. This gives us some more flexibility with our affiliate campaigns inside of HighLevel. Now, once more, if we select a funnel, website, or store, this is going to track sales and leads from anything within the platform. If we select external website, this will give us an external integration via our payment processor integration, which does need to be connected in order for the external website to work. Then when we click confirm, we will get a separate piece of code in order to actually track on this external website. Now, if we do the track only leads options via forms, surveys, or calendars, we can select one of the three to promote. And then what it will do is attribute leads, name, email, phone, submissions, things like that from our forms, surveys, and calendars to specific affiliates under their affiliate IDs. So if we want to select a calendar, for an example, to promote, we can select this social media consulting calendar. Then we will get an affiliate link for the calendar plus our affiliates' unique tracking in order to track for leads. This is very similar to the funnel or website or store process as well. If we select something like a funnel that we want to actually track sales from, you can see it'll go through the same process of picking the funnel, picking the page for visitors to land on, getting our affiliate links, and then seeing our products to select commissions for. Remember, within these two options, the lead option does not include sales. So we're just tracking leads being submitted. And if we want to attribute an additional commission, like paying per lead, we can do that. But with the sales option for tracking sales and leads on a website, funnel, or store, we can see the URL. We can select the products, which does need to be added to the website under the website settings. So make sure you've actually added the product to the website or funnel before creating your affiliate campaign. Then you'll see the product from here, and this will be what we can set up our commissions for. Again, you'll see the option to set up a reward for this sales and leads option, as well as the track only leads option, as you can see here with that social media consulting URL. Again, this is what I was saying with a sort of pay per lead scenario. So you can do both of them. It gives you lots of functionality. Let's go ahead and move forward. Now let's explore how it works for both routes when it comes to setting up rewards. First, for tracking only leads. If we go to set up rewards for only leads, this is that pay per lead scenario, which I was explaining earlier. Whenever we're creating affiliate campaigns with just a leads only option, we can toggle this on to give a default commission per lead, and we can only do a flat rate. We can't do a percentage because obviously there's no percentage because there's no product. So we can do a flat rate like $10 per lead. And then additionally, we can set up advanced commission settings like multiple tiers. So we can do this with both options, leads only or sales and leads. We can set up multi-tiered commissions. All this means is that sub-affiliates which purchase or book under any of these URLs can also be qualified for commissions. And we can set up those different commissions on both the tiers. So let's say the second tier is 5 and the third tier is 1. We can set that up and click save just like that. Now, if we go back and we select our live funnel with a product going down the sales and leads route, we can now check out what setting up rewards looks like for this flow. For this, we get a default commission, which can be percentage or flat since we're working with a product. In this case, the product is $97 a month. We can set up a percentage like 40% and then also set up more advanced commission settings. The first setting we can set up is customized commission per product. So if there's multiple products on a website page, like let's say a 97 and a 297 option, we can select different commissions per product. In this case, whenever we click edit, we'll be able to see the product name on the left, the commission on the middle, and the price on the right-hand side. In this case, we have only one product and we can set up a 40% commission for this. But if we have a second one, we can set up maybe a 30% for the second one or 20%, higher or lower. You can do all sorts of things with different products for your commissions. The second option is set variable commissions amount over time. So based on how many sales or charges an affiliate brings in, we can do this, and you can set this up to basically be a ramp up or ramp down period for affiliate commissions. So for an example, if for the first 5 sales that an affiliate makes, then we can pay a percentage of 80%, so a much higher commission for the first sales they bring in, and then all of the ones afterwards get that 40% commission, which is the default commission. So we can create really cool programs using this in order to further incentivize our affiliates to share our content with their prospects. We can also set up our commission payment duration, which is how long commissions will be paid after the initial purchase. This is especially important if you're using a subscription product like this, a $97 a month. You can set this up to be either until the customer cancels or by count. So let's say they get only a commission on the first 3 months/3 charges of the customer's purchases, which can level them up to a higher tier campaign. And you can configure all of this after you select a second campaign. You'll then see when to level up this affiliate to another campaign. So let's say we're not using this variable commissions over time. Let's say we're using just this level up feature. Let's say they've reached $2,000 in revenue, and once they've reached there, we'll then move them to a new campaign, and that new campaign maybe has a higher or lower commission structure. Now you might ask, why would you want to move them to another campaign after they've reached a certain amount of revenue? Think about it like this. Once they've reached a goal, you want to automatically send out things like emails and move them into a different structure that is changing how much percentages they're getting on their sales. And you can do that via the campaign, because each time you create an affiliate campaign, as you'll see later, we'll configure some emails, notifications, things like that. So you can further automate your entire affiliate marketing process just by using some of these settings, which is really cool. And then lastly, of course, you can set up your multiple tiers for those commissions at the bottom. Now, once you've configured all of these settings, you can then move on to the next step of clicking Assign Affiliate. You can then search for affiliates that are already in your affiliate manager, or you can choose not to add any affiliates at all. You can then configure in additional settings, things like those email notifications, which I already mentioned. You can select different email templates, which you can have created. And of course, you can come back and edit all this later. So you can create an affiliate email and come back and add this in later if you want. You can also set up cookie life, which is tracking how long customer clicks are tracked for commissions. This just means if a customer goes to your website on the first of the week, then let's say we have 7 days set up. After 7 days, their cookie will no longer attribute their sales to that affiliate. Typically, most people set this up to be as high as possible, or they'll set it lower if they have lots of different affiliates maybe competing for different things. But that's mostly subjective. We then have current payout terms, which is when we're actually paying out our affiliate commissions. Most people do net 15. You can also do net 7, which is 7 days after the month ends. So on the 7th, the 15th is most common for most people. We can also include setup fees in commission calculations as well, if you want to include that as well, if you're using things like setup fees with recurring payments. And then you can also make a sub-affiliate sign-up page in order to let affiliates use a sign-up form to invite and manage more of their own affiliates, which is really cool. Now, just to be clear, when we're talking about sub-affiliates with this sign-up page and this auto-enroll new customers as sub-affiliates settings, what this is whenever you have an affiliate sign up to promote your product, this means that then they can find other people to sign up and promote your product as well, which they will get commissions for and things like that. It becomes a little bit complicated at that step, but if you want to keep things automated and keep it easy, you can create a sub-affiliate sign up form. Then you can also auto-enroll new customers as sub-affiliates if you want. Once you're done, you can then finish and either save this in draft or publish it and make it live. And once you do that, your affiliate campaign will finally be created. And just like that, you can see all of your affiliate campaigns from Affiliate Manager, Campaign, and then you can see the name of the campaign, the start date, the number of affiliates, customers, churned, leads, commissions, and revenue generated for your campaigns. And of course, if you want to go back and edit them, you can click the 3 dots on the right and click Edit Campaign, and that will take you back into the flow that we just left. Overall, this makes creating affiliate campaigns much easier inside of HighLevel. It gives us tons of functionality, and it's really awesome what you can do with the Affiliate Manager from HighLevel. If you have any questions about creating campaigns in the platform, feel free to drop a comment or refer to the help talk. As always, my name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.